how to join the group live room. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to join the group live room on your Emo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo, go to the group you want. Now like you see live room at the bottom, because they have live now, click on live room and you can click on follow, and this is it. Or you can click on this one and click on allow, and click on the point icon at the blue, and you can join the live room easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.